Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can attach a file within your Gmail. First of all, open up your Gmail and make sure to sign in. Now just simply click on this compose email in the top left and then expand the view. Here we will be able to create a new email and attach a file. First, let's add a recipient. Then you have to enter your subject and now you can attach a file. At the bottom, you can see we have different tools available and this tool right here is attach files. Click on it, it will allow you to attach any kind of file from your computer. Select the file and it will be added. As you can see, the file has been added right here. So sometimes we have a problem uploading and attaching big files. For that we have another way. You can actually attach files from your Google Drive and upload big files on your Google Drive and then attach right here. The option is given here. As you can see, we have insert file using Drive. It will open up your Google Drive. Select attachment and select the file and it will upload the file into your email. So now we have these files attached and you can easily tap on this send button. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to attach files in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.